This is a 52 DeSoto. About to be restored. Here's the cab. Floor's been done. You can't see it because of all the other parts. Now we're gonna go underneath the car. If you can see it, there is hardly any rust through on the whole car. A surface rust really only. Right here are the baddest rust spots coming down the right side. This is a 52 DeSoto. This is what I was impressed with, is how for a 60-year-old car, there's hardly any rust through his frame is solid. Coming out on the left side, no rust. Again, a lot of stuff on the floors. Here's the hood, the front clip, quarter panel. Can't really see it. These are the rear fenders. Now back to the frame. And my favorite, the Monte Carlo. Let's check this bad boy out. .350 Corvette, air ride. No rust on this car either. Can't crawl up underneath it because it is 2 inches from the ground. Definitely gonna get dirty doing that.
Yeah.
The motor is over there in that tarp. We'll view that later.